Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oatmeal banana cookies. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients that you likely already have on hand. This recipe is incredibly straightforward, perfect for bakers of all skill levels, and doesn't require any fancy equipment. Get ready to create a batch of warm, comforting treats that are both easy to make and wonderfully satisfying. Let's dive into the simple steps to bake these delightful cookies. For these delightful cookies, you'll need just a handful of ingredients. Start with 2 ripe bananas. The riper they are, the sweeter your cookies will be. You'll also need 1 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats, which provide that classic chewy texture. To enhance the flavor, add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of ground cinnamon. That's it for the basics. These simple components come together to create something truly special. Now let's get mixing. First, mash your 2 ripe bananas thoroughly in a medium-sized bowl until they are smooth. Next, add the 1 cup of rolled oats and the 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the mashed bananas. Stir everything together until it's well combined. Then, drop rounded spoonfuls of the mixture onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake these delicious treats for about 15 to 20 minutes in an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. These cookies are fantastic as is, but feel free to get creative. You can add 1/4 cup of your favorite mix-ins, like chocolate chips, chopped walnuts, or even dried cranberries before baking. A sprinkle of shredded coconut also adds a lovely tropical touch. Once baked, let them cool slightly and then enjoy your warm, homemade treats. They're perfect for a quick breakfast or a satisfying snack. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.